Hey everyone, in engine assembly, one of the most critical measurements is bearing to journal clearance. Too tight and the engine may seize. Too loose and oil pressure drops, leading to premature wear. One simple and reliable way to measure this clearance is by using plastigage. What is plastigage? Plastigage is a thin, soft plastic filament that deforms under pressure. When compressed between a bearing and a journal, it flattens. The width of the flattened strip corresponds to clearance between the two surfaces. Before using plastigage, ensure the journal and bearing surfaces are clean and completely dry. Do not apply oil at this stage as it can affect the measurement accuracy. In applying plastigage, cut a small piece of plastigage and place it lengthwise along the journal surface. Make sure it is positioned parallel to the axis of the shaft. Carefully install the bearing cap and tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Do not rotate the shaft during this step as it will smear the plastigage and distort the reading. Once torqued, remove the bearing cap again. You will now see the plastic gauge has been flattened between the journal and the bearing. In measuring clearance, compare the width of the flattened plastic gauge to the scale printed on the package. The wider the strip, the tighter the clearance. The narrower the strip, the larger the clearance. In interpreting the results, check your measurement against the engine manufacturer's specifications. If the clearance is outside the acceptable range, corrective actions such as replacing bearings or machining components may be required. Key tips and common mistakes. Always remember, keep surfaces clean and dry. Never rotate the shaft with plastic gauge installed. Use the correct plastic gauge range for your expected clearance. And always follow torque specifications carefully. Using plastic gauge is a quick and effective way to verify bearing clearances during engine assembly. When done correctly, it helps ensure proper lubrication, performance, and long engine life.